what y'all want to know about this one. It's a V6, so take your chances. Man, look who done showed up, bro. YouTube, what is going on, man? Welcome to the channel, man. We are currently en route to a car meet event. I see the weather is A1 right now. Beautiful Memorial Day weekend. Hope y'all are good on y'all end, man. Y'all first time tuning in, make sure y'all locking in for the long haul and subscribe to the channel, man. I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get to the spot. See y'all in 1 second. Alright, man, y'all see where we at, man. We done put up to the spot. We got dope little turnout out here, though. Dope little turnout. See the SS. Let's see what size that is. The 24s. Transformers edition right there. See it there. Carolina Toyz came up. See another car right here. Now, this one right here pretty clean. Check that out. See, like white, like pearl white with the blue chrome, white wheels. Y'all lock into them. Follow my Instagram. Y'all can see that right there. And Boston on it. Even got the tips back here. See? Gotta check my man's out right there, man. Y'all seen this in one of my videos before right here. Engine bay. Like hydro dip. SS. Clean blue. You can see this one before on the channel too. That was on one of my videos before. Camo wrap on it. We got it around here. SCAT PACK. Oh, this thing got a little graphic on the side. Let me show y'all that real quick, man. I can see that. See that right there. You got the Venom on the side of it. Clean. A lot of cars I ain't seen out here before. This cinnamon stick color. See what we got over here. A couple wide bodies. One right there. Got the FA green. Looking like a exotic car blacklist. Of course, you see me right here. wheels on it. Stay clean. Hey, y'all look at this wrap right here now. Got the jewels right there in the wheels. Whole Sonic thing going on with it. That's a dope little concept though, for real on it. Let me know what y'all think on this one right here, man. This ain't dope. Got the half and half going on with it. Hey, I got some bad whips over here, bro. I see this one right here. Now this sign, whoa. That's good. That's clean right there, bro. That wrap different right there, bro. With the sun hitting that thing. Got the red right here. I think y'all seen this one on the video before. Probably seen both of these on the video before. Take it. Yeah, y'all might have seen this one before. I know y'all seen this one right here, man. I know y'all seen this one before right here. On the ground. Let's see. Okay. That thing hit crazy in the daylight, man. Trunk set up on it. Of course, y'all know this man right here. Man, sponsored for the event. Right here for $392. You got this one right here. Female owned as well. Green with the gold. You don't even see that color combo a lot though. You don't see it. See that IG there. Hey, I heard you got the fastest car out here. Possibly? Everybody's probably watching this video.
And of course I got the fastest car.
She ain't lying. She probably do got the fastest car out here. I ain't capping on that, man. That's it. I don't think y'all know the details in this car real quick though. That's it. Drive, race, win. Like a girl, but look at this right here. Y'all see that? See Halle Berry? Who else? Is that Monique? Not Monique. I'm tripping. Oprah. You got Chloe, Halle right there. Missy Elliott, Lil' Kim, Serena Williams. I mean, look. Yeah, Beyonce. Now, y'all done seen this one on the channel before, but it did not look like this. See it right here, man. Remember it cammed out? Maybe I can see it here. Flip the wrap on everybody. Flip the wrap. See the name, make sure y'all go ahead and follow him. This is the cammed out Jeep that you saw on one of my previous videos. So he got a new wrap on. It looks like it's like a satin black with a little bit of red flake in there. Something I've never seen that color before. So 101 for sure. If anybody else do it, he did it first. So don't be trying to copy him, man. Let's get the wrap look. All right, man, we about to end this video because your boy battery is about to die on his GoPro. Cause y'all know how these GoPros be doing, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. Let me know what y'all favorite car from the video is, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. We are out. Cut it.